This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are stir-frying cumin beef. I have here 400 grams of chuck tender. Before slicing up the beef, take a look at the direction of the grain. You will want to cut against the grain so that the beef will become more tender. Slice up the beef thinly. If you are having difficulty doing so because the beef is too soft, you can put the beef in the freezer for about half an hour. This will harden the beef and will make it easier for you to slice. Marinate the beef with salt, white pepper, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, cornflour, and an egg white. The egg white here is the tenderizing agent that will tenderize the beef. Give all this a good mix. You will notice that the beef will become creamy and slimy. This is normal. After giving it a good mix, set it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. This will allow the egg white time to do its job of tenderizing the meat. For the aromatics, slice up 5 to 6 slices of ginger. One chili. Remove the seeds if you don't want it to be too hot. Roughly chop up 5 cloves of garlic. Also chop up 2 stalks of cilantro. Include the roots here, as this is where most of the flavour comes from. Give the leaves a rough chop, but for the roots, cut them into smaller pieces, as they tend to be tougher and more fibrous. You will also need 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, but you can use as much or as little as you like. Now to stir fry. In a pan over medium heat, add in about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, fry the ginger and garlic till they are fragrant. Then, add in the beef. Fry the beef till it changes color. This looks a bit dry here, so I'll add in a bit more oil. When most of the beef has turned a lighter shade of brown, note most of the beef, not all the beef, has turned a lighter shade of brown. Add in the cilantro, the chili, and the cumin powder. Turn up the heat to medium-high and fry it for about 30 seconds till you smell the aroma of the cumin. If you prefer your beef to be more well done, fry it for a couple of seconds more. Taste and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. To serve, sprinkle more cumin powder on top. And garnish with some extra cilantro leaves. This is stir-fry cumin beef.